If your book doesn't make decisions easier, it won't create leverage. Instead, it'll just sit there looking impressive.
Pour a cup of clarity, sip a spark of insight. Coffee with Karma, your morning feels just right.
A strategic book doesn't just share ideas. Instead, it removes friction for your reader. When your ideal prospects read your book and they understand the decisions that you can help them make, they move forward faster with confidence. In this video, I'm going to share with you three quick steps that you can take to help your book do that kind of work. Hi, my name is Carma Spence, and I help established experts write the right book so that they don't sit there on a digital shelf gathering digital dust on their little bow ties. Digital bow ties. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please like this video, comment below, share it with others, and subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will push this out to more people like you who want to grow their business with books. So let's get to those 3 steps. The first one is take a pen and some paper and list out 3 problems that your book could pre-solve for your clients. These are top of mind things that they're thinking, I really need to solve this. I'll go read a book because they don't want to pay someone to help them solve this little problem, right? It's bothering them, but this is a problem that once solved will make the person realize, gee, I've got this other problem, and the author of this book can solve that problem. And now they feel like they know you because while they're reading it, your voice, or what they think is your voice, is in their head. If it's an audiobook, it's definitely in their head. Of course, if you recorded it and didn't hire an actor, there's something about interacting with a book. And even though if they sat down and read it from end to end, the book took them no more than an hour to read, more than likely they spent more time than that. And so that acts as the what is it like? It's up to like 7 hours that someone needs to experience you before they will do business with you. A book takes up a chunk of that time. So if you do the book right, you get your clients. Step number 2, identify one conversation your book should make easier. Like this person reads this book and now they have a conversation with you. What did that book do that made that conversation easier to have? What conversation are you having with this person after they've read your book? And how did your book make it easier? Understand that, and you can write a better book. Step number 3, choose a decision that your book helps readers make. Now, you may see a through line in all these 3 steps. What they are all doing is asking, what does your book need to be in order to make this person easier to land as a client? It helps them solve a top of mind problem. It helps them come to you pretty much decided they want to hire you. And it helps them decide, yes, I want to take this next step. So the book solves step number 1, you're going to solve step number 2. And after reading the book that solves step number 1, they know they need to solve step number 2, and they have a better idea that they want you to help them solve it. There you go. 3 steps and they're quick. It didn't take you that long to answer those questions, really. And they will make your book more strategic. I will be back in the next video with 3 authority lessons from the film Fantasia. Yes, the classic film with the dancing hippos. Until then, this is Carma Spence saying ciao for now.